In this bite-sized affiliate marketing 15 PLR articles review, I'm going to be showing you how you can get access to over 15,000 words of content that you can use to monetize right now, all done for you in the affiliate marketing niche. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out bite-sized affiliate marketing 15 PLR articles, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says brand new PLR bundle available now. Veteran marketer reveals her secret methods, how literally anyone can spend as little as 20 minutes daily on affiliate marketing and make a living. So I actually recommend you go down and read this. It's really interesting how she's actually making a living online. She's been doing this since the 90s and she's able to make money in very, very little time. She's not spending all her time working on her business and she's actually come up with a way that you can actually tap into this. There's 15 articles with 15,000 words explaining exactly how this whole process works. And on top of that, you can even take this and you can resell it. You can add it to a bonus to other paid products, to as part of a paid membership site. You can use the report and you can be sold or given away as a lead magnet. You can sell it as an ebook on a platform, put your name on it. You can use it for videos and video courses, repurpose it, and do whatever you want with it. So not only do you get the course, but you get the PLR access to it as well. So there's no video for this one. It's kind of interesting. This is kind of be a quick review, but there are upgrades. So the first one here is a done for you entire website that they're going to create for you if you want to upgrade to this one. So it's a completely done for you website for $75, which is a very, very inexpensive deal if you think about it. So if you want to get your own website, you can. Next one is they say, do you know you can convert your time into money in just 15 minutes as an affiliate marketer? So this is going to give you extra features here as well with this. So it's just an optional upgrade. You get a PLR report of 1,700 words, multiple hours of research and writing saved for you. You received rights to resell and treat this content as your own. Again, this comes with the PLR rights on it. And then they've got the last one is there. It says team up with AI and let it do it all for you. So if you want to learn how to actually use this, use AI in your content as well. PLR report of 5,000 words. You can rewrite it. You can you receive the rights to resell it. You can treat it as your own content. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about bite-sized affiliate marketing 15 PLR articles and what don't I like about it? If I just had to say something I don't like about this, if you're expecting some fancy software, if you're expecting some video course, this isn't it. This is a written content. So yeah, it's not a fancy thing. What I like about this, she's been doing this for a long time, but she knows what she's talking about. If you want to learn from someone that's been doing this for years and years and hasn't just kind of gotten lucky and just worked out for a little while and then had to stop doing it. She's been doing it for a long time. If you want to learn and have a product that you can actually resell in the process, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my bite-sized affiliate marketing 15 PLR articles review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.